children, today I will teach you how to make a Rakhi. For this we will need our material, scissors, fevicol, pencil, some decoration material and glitter sheets. In place of glitter sheet you can take your any sheets, origami sheets, any paper, any cardboard, what you want you can take. Let's start children. For this I am taking first my white glitter sheet and I am going to draw here a circle for the base of Rakhi. Yes, I have complete my circle. Then after I am taken my black sheet. Now I will make a face from it. This after first I am drawing to a drop shape and this balloon shape I have drawn here, and upside I am going to draw here this for a cap. So fold your paper for same size. I needed 2. I have cut the 2 of same size. This after I need my red paper. Round piece I need it, so I am cutting it from here. For bow I am going to draw the bow. This also you will cut the same size. For this you will fold your paper. I have complete my cutting and I am going to paste it. on the top of circle. Extra we will cut. See now. I have the two googly eyes here. If you not have this, in place of it you can paste black paper and white paper. Some decoration we can do now. Yes, this after, now we will make our thread. How we will make? For this you will take your molly and ribbon or anything what you want you can take, and then after you will hold it and do just like it. Tie a knot here. See, just like it. For after it, I need the one more circle here. Yeah, you can take any cardboard, card, yeah, anything of same size of circle. I cut the circle from your any sheet. Put the Fevicol on it. Measure the thread from the center. You will paste it. Then after you will pick up your Rakhi and paste on it. Any type of mirror या moti you can put here. Yeah. Any decoration material you can use. Whatever you have at home. Then after what you will do, then I have complete my Rakhi, and this after you will paste it on your book. Just like it, first you will put the Fevicol here, then you will take your Rakhi and paste it here, just like it. Then after, class 1 children, you all will paste your Rakhi on this page number 14, and first you will write the date here, on which date you will made it. And the class 2 children, you all will paste your Rakhi on this page number 17. I have the 2 and 3 Rakhi, and same you will paste your any Rakhi which you want, you can make it and you can paste it. This Rakhi also I have made from origami sheets, and I am going to paste it here. Any Rakhi you can make it. And here you will write the date, same. Then after, I have made this Rakhi from pista cells, and this Rakhi I made from ice cream sticks. So as you want, which type Rakhi you want to make, you can make it. Thank you children.